Global job seekers, get in here. Canada, with its stunning natural beauty, welcoming culture, and thriving job market, has become a dream destination for many professionals worldwide. And guess what? You are about to discover the insider secrets on how to land a job in this country from anywhere in the world. Welcome to your #1 YouTube channel, Canada Migrate, where we share practical tips and advice on job posts and Canada immigration. Today is no exception, as we'll be sharing with you how to get a job in Canada from anywhere in the world. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon to be notified anytime we upload a video. Alright, let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to land a job in Canada, irrespective of where you are. Step 1. Research the Canadian job market. You must first understand the Canadian job market. To do this, begin with exploring the in-demand industries and occupations across different provinces by checking out online job boards and professional networking platforms like LinkedIn to get a sense of the available opportunities. Also, look into the skills and qualifications employers value, as this information are crucial in helping you land a job. Step 2. Networking and building connections. Networking plays a vital role in finding job opportunities in Canada. Join industry-specific groups, attend virtual conferences or events, and connect with professionals already working in Canada. Their insights and advice can be priceless. Additionally, don't neglect the place of international interviews, as they serve as opportunities for you to gather information about your target industry and build relationships with potential employers. Step 3. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Now that you have a good understanding of the job market and some connections, it's time to prepare your application materials. Customize your resume and cover letter for each job application, highlighting relevant skills and experiences that match the employer's requirements. And remember, always emphasize your transferable skills and international experience. Step 4. Mastering the interview process. Congratulations! You've caught the attention of potential employers and landed an interview. Now, it's time to shine. Research the company, its values, and recent projects. Prepare answers to common interview questions, focusing on how your skills align with the role and how you can contribute to the Canadian workspace. Step 5. Understand the Canadian immigration process. If you are not a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, it's essential to understand the immigration process. That being said, explore immigration programs such as the Express Entry System, Provision of NEED programs, or the Global Talent Stream, alongside the requirements specific to them. You can as well consult with an immigration professional to find the best pathway for you. Guys, I'm glad to announce to you that you are well on your way to landing your dream job in the Great White North if you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to a Canadian job adventure.